Today we are diving into the world of wrinkles reduction and exploring some popular Botox alternatives. Botox has been a household name for its ability to smooth out lines and wrinkles, but it's not the only option available. Let's explore some alternatives and discuss whether they truly work. First, understand what is Botox. Botox is a brand name for a purified protein. It is produced by the bacterium. Botox injections are used to temporarily relax muscles, which can reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Botox alternatives. Dermal Filler. This injectable fillers adds volume to the areas because of volume loss. Hyaluronic acid, the common tops, offering temporary results. It can effectively reduce wrinkles around the nasolabial folds and barrier lines. The nasolabial areas refers to the region between the nose and the corners of the mouth. The nasolabial folds, often called smile lines or laugh lines. Baronet lines are the vertical wrinkles or folds that extend from the corner of the mouth down towards the chin. Number 2, neurotoxins other than Botox. Similar to Botox, this injectable temporarily paralyzes the muscles that cause wrinkles. Examples: Dysport, comparable to Botox in reducing wrinkles but may have slightly onset of action. Number 3, laser resurfacing, uses laser energy to remove the outer layer of the skin, stimulating collagen production and reducing wrinkles. It can significantly reduce the wrinkles but requires multiple sessions and downtime. Number 4, microneedling. It works by creating tiny punctures in the skin, stimulating collagen production and improving skin texture. It can improve fine lines and wrinkles, but results may be subtle. Number 5, chemical peels. It exfoliates the outer layer of the skin, removing dead cells, revealing smoother and younger looking skin. It can improve mild to moderate wrinkles. Number 6, topical treatments. It contains ingredients like retinoids, peptides and antioxidants that can improve skin texture and reduce the wrinkles over time. Examples are retinol creams, vitamin C serum. It can help prevent wrinkles and improve mild ones, but results may be gradual. Apart from this, lifestyle factors plays an important role. UV radiation is a major contributor to wrinkles. Use sunscreen daily and wear protective clothing. Be sure to wear sunscreen with SPF of 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days also. Getting enough sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your skin can look tired and dull. Managing stress. Stress can contribute to premature aging. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables and antioxidants can promote healthy skin. Nuts and seeds are a good source of nutrients that can help keep skin healthy and may help prevent wrinkles. Some of the best nuts and seeds for healthy skin include almonds. Almonds are a good source of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that can help protect the skin from damage. Walnuts. Walnuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are a good source of vitamin E and selenium, which are both antioxidants that can help protect from skin damage. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of zinc, which is important for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that helps keep the skin firm and elastic. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which are plant compounds that may help protect the skin from damage. Chia seeds, an excellent source of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 plays a crucial role in reducing inflammation in the body, which can help preserve collagen level and prevent its breakdown. Powerful antioxidants such as quercetin and chlorogenic acids, which help combat oxidative stress. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of collagen. It's rich in vitamins and minerals, including zinc and vitamin C, both of which are important for collagen synthesis. Zinc aids in the production of collagen, while vitamin C is vital for stabilization of the collagen fibers. Quit smoking. Smoking exfoliates aging and wrinkles, hence quit smoking. Conclusion: there are many effective Botox alternatives available, each with its own pros and cons. The best option for you depends on your individual preferences and choice. उर्दू और हिंदी व्यूअर्स, मेरा एक दूसरा चैनल है एक्सप्लोर वर्ल्ड विद इकबाल। अगर आप हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियो पर इंटरेस्टेड है तो जरूर चैनल को विजिट करें, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो के साथ में, तब तक स्टे एक्टिव एंड स्टे हेल्दी।